Good morning, guys. I'm in Boston. This is my whole bag for this whole trip. I'm going to Charlotte for the day. Me and Sam, we're gonna go ride some roller coasters at Carowinds, and then I'm gonna be back in Boston by 11 p.m. tonight. Yeah, I'm really excited. I woke up in my own bed, and I'm gonna go to bed in my own bed. And I'm going to North and South Carolina. I woke up at like 4:30 this morning, drove to Woburn, took the bus. Wasn't that bad. Better than parking here at Boston. Fingers crossed that I get first class on this flight. I'm hoping for it. Alright, well I got it. Does this mean I'm rich now? Alright guys, I'm so rich, I bought the entire plane out. Like, this whole plane is mine now, so... Oh, it's really hot in this plane, Jesus Christ. Oh. Maybe. It's the view. Alright, so we made it. We're at Carowinds. As you can see, we're walking down the entry road. That's because the line for the cars stretches all the way back there to all the way up there. And it was kind of absurd, and I just told our Lyft driver to drop us off and we'd walk. Real talk, it's probably gonna be quicker than us actually driving in. So that worked out very well for us. So yeah, we're just gonna have a good day, ride some roller coasters. We both have flights back home tonight. So here's to a successful day trip. Just as I suspected, Carowinds has a total of 3 parking booths open for this. And there's like no one here other than that line to get in. So the reason we came to Carowinds, the new paint job on Nighthawk over there. You can barely see it right now, but it's gonna look really good when we're up close to it. So apparently Carowinds has like 4 people working the entire park. And that's the line for security, 30 minutes after they open.
Single file line in front of the register.
Alright, so we got 2 rides on Fury, and the first time, Sam has a medical bag, right? With the little tag. The guy yelled at us. He said, quote unquote, "You cannot put your bag on my platform." Turns out he's a Cedar Fair operator, so me and Sam have determined he is Steel Vengeance. That's his personality type. But it was kind of funny. Like, not in a good way. Like, I guess the ride-off is busy. I checked with the greeter and the grouper and they're all good with my bag, so I'll just leave it off to the side. All clear? You guys are all clearing out of here and enjoy your ride on Fury 325. You guys are going to go up 325 feet and drop another 300 feet on the world's best giga coaster. Oh my god, it's a bag. Welcome back, riders. I hope you guys enjoyed that ride. When the train comes to a full and complete stop, make sure you push up on your bar and get out of this station and off my platform as quick as possible. I need to keep pumping trains out. Oh hey, that's my bag. We have the medical pass. You cannot keep your bag on my platform. Okay, sorry, I won't leave my bag on your platform. Under the rules and regulations of Carowinds and Fury 325, Section 4, Line 3, no loose articles may be left on Fury 325. All personal items, including backpacks, fanny packs, cell phones, cameras, wallets, keys, and glasses, must be left in a locker or with a non-rider. I know my stuff. I'm a Cedar Fair employee. But yeah, unfortunately, Carolina Cyclones closed today. Carowinds has a total of like 7 people working here, like all across the board. 4 of them are security guards. But yeah, that's kind of what happens with spring break. It's not bad though. It's still warm out. It's like what is this, 80? 75 at least? A lot better than Boston today. Alright, we're on the mine train now. Reverse POV. It's really not that exciting. Well, that sucks. That video just cut out because a scammer tried to call me. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry for the lack of footage. I'm sorry.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Copperhead Strike time. Ooh, fancy. Ooh. I love that Carowinds has their very own sex couch here at Copperhead Strike. Thank you, sex couch. So I just got off that one. Yep, the loop-de-loop one. Anyways, for my coaster technical people, it's a mock rides coaster. It was pretty similar to DC Rivals. Honestly, like, the vibe was the same, which was kind of interesting. Because that was my first time riding this since I rode the one in Australia, but it was very nice. I enjoyed it, very much so. Now we're gonna go look at all the rides that are closed. I think it's official. My favorite ride here is Copperhead Strike, simply because it's themed to grandmas. And, you know, enough said. In the Sky Tower now, we're going up. We're gonna, I don't know, look at Carowinds or something. Whoosh, whoosh. So here at Carowinds we got closed, where's the other one? Closed. 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 They have this really nice fountain here at Carowinds. Unfortunately, it's leaking. The whole thing is flooding. Like, all of it. Alright, so it's 4:53. Me and Sam were gonna leave Carowinds at like 6:30, but we're leaving early. We rode everything, lines are getting long. We're both tired. So instead of getting back at like 11 p.m., I'm gonna be getting back into Boston at 9 p.m., which is always a welcome surprise. Sam over there is falling asleep. But yeah, so we had a really good day at Carowinds. Very simple trip. It was nice and warm. We got Fury right here. We got a few rides on it, you know, had a good time. So I'd say my favorite spot about Fury is right here underneath the track. It's such a beautiful area. You can step right up to the supports, like so. I guess I could climb up there if I really wanted to, but I'm not gonna, because I want to come back to Carowinds someday. But it's just such a gorgeous area. I wish the lighting was a little bit better, but... Ooh. Sam, you gotta run so the Uber will find us. Like, run, run, run! Oh, oh! This reminds me of Guatemala. Please don't hit us. Alright, we got an Uber. Okay. All the way out there. Exit row, not bad. I don't like it, but it's a seat. So that's gonna be it for today. I'm back in Boston. It's not too cold today. Plane landed about 15 minutes early, so that means I can make the 9 p.m. bus, which I'm really stoked about because I get home a half an hour earlier. So yeah, not too bad. Left the house at 4:30, getting back at 10:30. So yeah, that's it. Please like, comment, subscribe, boost my ego so I can do more day trips like this, because I have to Uber places and that costs money. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. next time I really want to document like the process that goes into my day trips more. You know, give you all the rundown on that. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.